Alright everybody, hello and welcome to another Oinkcraft update. Now, most of this is going to be looking at my face, as it has been these past days. Now what you're looking at, you can probably guess. It's not quite done quite yet. That's how to use quite twice in one sentence. But, nonetheless, I'm here with another Oinkcraft update, and this is mainly pertaining to the factions update. So we're pretty much on schedule. There have been a few things here and there, but it's workable with. For example, we have a bunch of things done. Oink Arena will be completed. I am almost done with that. We have the trading plugin done. We have the crates plugin, I believe, soon to be done. That's one that might extend into December. The custom dungeons is my responsibility, and that will have to extend into December due to my time being very limited as of late. I'm just gonna look at the trailer list because why not? So I'm on the wrong one. Alright. The Oink credits is ready. The Oink channels is ready. It's already been in place for a while. The Oink shop is ready. We're going to be doing some last testing. It'll kind of be like a lot of testing next weekend, so to speak. That is... Oh, sorry. I'm going to turn off the desktop audio there. That is to say, the update is planned for the 1st, but we might extend testing to be like Saturday, Sunday, which would be December 2nd and December 3rd. The current factions world, however, will be shut down or closed November 30th, 11:59 p.m. or whatever. That is when I'm closing it off and resetting all the plugins and whatnot. I'm making new warp factions and all that. So there might be 2-3 days without a factions world. So you're gonna have to live with that, just so we can make sure things are really working as planned. The new spawn is in motion. I have cleaned out worlds. All the worlds are set up. The inventories are set up. All that fun stuff. Now, the world border is currently 750,000, and correction, the border is now 100,000. With from spawn, the world border is 50,000 in each direction. It is not 750,000. It is 100,000. Yes, it is a dramatic change. What I'm about to say still applies in the fact that if we need to expand, we will. That is the diameter, so the radius is 375,000 in each direction from where I'm standing right now. If we need to expand this, we will, but based on our player base, I'd like bases to be able to be found, so to speak. Next is the factions world and the end worlds. Those are probably going to be released at a later date. Part of the reason is because I want people to start in the overworld, getting stuff, getting resources, not having to race to the end and get the first base, or at least that's how it went last time. And I'm thinking maybe a week into December I will release those worlds. Another reason is because I forgot we need spawns for those. Not huge spawns. Also, those world limits are probably going to be like 200,000 radius, that is, so 400,000 total. Not total, but diameter. Or perhaps they'll just be half overworld. The end, probably the same thing, just so, you know, people can go infinitely out, whatever. Well, excuse me. I do have to redo the kits. That should be done. I'm looking at the trailer list at this point. That should be done by December 1st. It won't take too much. All donators, your perks will also be pushed back about a week. I need to write a quick plugin for that, just to script, like... just so I don't have to go through every single donator and say, okay, you get this money, whatever. I also need to redo the balancing for MCMO credits and what money you receive and all that jazz. Speaking of December, whenever the factions world goes down will also be when balances are reset, so please keep that in mind. This is good stuff. I just realized it probably won't be November 30th at 11:59 p.m. The world will probably be going down on December 1st because that's a Friday night. And, oh, I just got a comment saying, Hermit, add some Mark ASMR. Sorry, but not right now. I'm in a slight rush. Anyway, donators, you will get your perks back. You won't, like, let's say you got Piglet and you got, just for example, $100, and then you got Boar and you got $200. If you're still Boar, you're just going to get that $200, just because that's how the ranks work. It's kind of cheating the system if you keep going up with coupons and whatever, but not too many people have done that, so whatever. I mean, that's good here. The way that the Obsidian Explosion plugin, let me know what you guys think about Obsidian Explosion plugin with TNT cannons and whatnot. If that will inspire people to make more cannons and do more raids, then by all means, just let me know in the Discord. Tag me at server related only. You can do it on another channel, but just to kind of keep it organized. Like if I get a few people saying that, I'll go ahead and I don't know, either get one or write one. Probably get one. It's no point in rewriting one of those. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. The way the shop is going to work, we're going to have a shop, but it's going to be really basic items. So instead of having iron armor, iron tools, we're just going to have iron ingots. No blocks, whatever. We're just going to have wooden planks. We're not going to have sticks or anything. We're probably only going to have... actually, I think we'll have all types of wood and stuff. Not all types of stone brick exactly. I guess because all types of wood, just an aesthetic thing. What I can do... I don't want to show off too much, mostly because not all of this is done. But here's what the shop is pretty much going to look like. You're going to have some basic stuff like cactus, sugarcane. You're going to be able to sell that and buy some if you need it. Buying, again, is going to be super cheap. Like it's going to be rip off. Selling, not so much to be ripped off. But we do want less emphasis on standing in front of spawners and whatnot, so we're pretty much eradicating spawners. If you find one, by all means, got a piglet or above or staff member with silk touch, and boom, you've got yourself a pig spawner that you can use. We will be having a selling meat thing, but it won't be as much, nor will we put as much focus on it. Just to take less emphasis on, I guess, usage of economy. So yeah, it's coming up on 7 minutes now, and I think that's it. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. By all means, that would be fantastic. Oink Arena, I will have that plugin done by the time the Factions World is up. And there are some arenas completed, so perhaps we can have like a beta session at one point, just to kind of test if it's working with a bunch of people. All I have to do is the combat system. So I'm really looking forward to this Factions reset. I'm really looking forward to it. Glad to try to get this revamped. After that, I'm going to move on to more stuff. A townie reset, maybe. We're going to have a build-off this Christmas / winter vacation because heck yeah. I'm hyped. Get hyped, people. Get so hyped. I'm really having a good day today. So spread the positivity, am I right? Anyway, if things are pushed back, so be it. I'm not going to fight anyone on that. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to this. Thank you guys for watching. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. If you haven't already, I will check on that in a second. One sec. If you haven't already, join play.wrestlingcraft.com. Thanks for watching and have a good one.